good life, good person. Long live! I am your teacher vlogger, retired teacher. Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay, everyone! Kamabuhayers. My president of our seniors there, Madam Nining. Okay, very good president. Very efficient, very effective. And the Apo? What's your name, Apo? What's huh? Ebel, okay. Madam Nining, our president here, Residencia del Rayo. Yeah, very accommodating, very nice, and very brilliant. Can I get inside?
Okay.
Oh, there's no dog. Ay, sorry. So, I enjoyed my life here. I was welcomed well by Madam Nining.
Wow.
So, that's Madam Nining, the president, presenting to you of seniors here. Presidential area. Thank you. And highly recommending me as assistant secretary, but with all politeness, I requested Ma'am Nining, wag na muna ako kasi gusto ko muna mag-vlog lang and selfie. No, baby, no? Ha? Mabuhay. Yeah, wave to the camera.
Wow.
Okay, yan. So, this is it. Thank you for accommodating my request. Member ako eh.
Okay lang.
So this is it. My vlog here in the subdivision. And this time, in front of their house is sari-sari store where I will be buying vegetables with my new friend, Madam Rima, and yeah, beautiful one. And where's your dog? Yeah, so in the subdivision, homeowners are allowed to have sari-sari store like this. And you know naman, I love vegetables. So, so mamili tayo. Yan. Okay, let's add some more. Good for health, wellness. Ay, yan yun. Sige, ma'am, yan. And I will also get the talong. Usually, I'm there in lots for less, but so tired already. Yeah, eggplant. Yeah, good for all is well. Yeah. So, let's have some more. Wala itong gamay ra. Oh, sige. For, ano to? Yeah. Let's add. So, that's it. So, I have already my tomatoes.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. I will add one. And our, Bombay onions. What else? I already have my, this one, kamuti tops. Kamuti tops done. And what else? Oh, they also have potatoes. Carrots. I will get carrots. My will make okoy. That's okoy. I love okoy. And another one. This one. I need two.
Ay, may bago.
One. Ay, bago. Okay. Sayuti. Yeah. Of course, the cabbage. No more. This is one left. No more. Dalawa. What are they? Okay. Nakapa na ako. Wala pa. One. We'll get the sayuti. Okay. Wow. Sayuti is good for our wellness. So, let's have one. Two. How much? How do you call this one in Cebuano? Opo, kalubay sa mua.
Kalubay, oo.
Oh, yan. I have one at home, so we'll just add. Okay, what else? No more. Ito good for the gulay also. Ito good for the gulay.
For lauoy.
Lauoy, sige.
Utan.
Utan. Ilonggo mo? Tulunan na lang biya ko. Sige, but trying to learn Bisaya, Ilonggo, gid ako Ilongga, gid ako. So, ano pangalan sa store diri? Oh, wala lang. Yan. Oh.
Basta sa gulayan.
Oh, sa gulayan lang diri. Ano kani diri nga black?
21.
Black 21 lot
13.
13. Okay, black 21 lot 13 for those our Residencia Del Rio, come now here and buy fresh vegetables from Bangkiruan, right? Yeah, from Bangkiruan. Yeah, yes. So this is the store now. Again, on Prim 13, Black 13, Lot 21. Baliktad.
Black 21.
Black 21, Lot 13. So what are what are you waiting for? Let's come now. What are the other items? Dried fish, munggo. What's this? Ang prim, oh, paminta. Oh, paminta, fried. They have the bulag. I will get one, this one. How much is this? Pampagana ng pagkain. And one this one. How about the this one? Banana. Pwede na yan? That one. I love that one. Tomorrow pa?
Ay, pwede na.
Sige. Get one. So, no more. I will not get this one beans. Waka yurik man daw ni. I will just get the cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. Pipino. I love pipino. Yeah. So, this is pipino. Cucumber. We love two. Okay. So, every Monday lang ka na you are going to in the village. Oh, sige. That's good. So, wow, you also have coconut milk. What's this? Gata. Nice one. So, that will be all muna for today. Hi, sir. Mabuhay. What's your name? I'm being Rindon. Sige, okay lang. Okay lang, sige. It's good, nakilala tayo.
Nick, ma'am, Nick.
Nick lang. Bing lang, Bing. So, no more. How about this one? Calamansi. Can I open? Help me. I cannot open this time. I'm holding the selfie stick. So, this is my day. Today in Davao City, they also have charcoal or uling. How much is one? 55? 25. How I wish I can buy that lutuan na uling. No. Actually, I am scared of the LPG. It's only my mind. But uling and kahoy, firewood, no, I will gladly do it.
Yes!
They also have what's this? Eggs. Yeah, itlog, marami din. How much is one? One piece?
I want this
850. Later na, yan na lang muna. Bibilin ko. So, how much is my total? Ay, we'll have luya. One luya. Fresh from Bangkiruhan, Davao. Wow. Okay. So, total. Actually, I'm there buying the last for less. But for today, I decided to be here in my neighbor. Ampalaya pa! Ouch!
The ampalaya.
Okay, we'll get one. Oh. So that's ampalaya. They have also radish, labanos, cabbage, patatas. What are the other items? Pitsay. Okay, so this is it. Sayuti, opo, patula, carrots. Yeah, so that's it. Also, garlic and what's this? We don't have garlic. So we'll get one. Okay, last na to. I already have my okra, my kamuti tops. So perfect. This is all? Oh, super, mabigat.
Bigat.
Okay.
Ay, pwede mo itapod na.
Sige. So, this is it. My day today in Davao City. Just sharing you my moments. It's wonderful Monday. And outside the subdivision. This is it. Davao City, my new community, my new chapter of life. I love people in Davao. So for now, I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher. Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive, here in Residencia del Rio, Talomo District, Catalunan, Pequeño, Davao City. Thank you for watching my vlog. I am your vlogger, retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, the one with a red profile and the yellow profile. Follow me also on my real Facebook account and all my page, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. My kamabuhayers, everyone there, viewers. Until my next vlog. Retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, signing off and giving you these words of wisdom. If there's no picture, it did not happen. There's no picture and video. So I love to document my everyday in life. Another, what you have done is not excellent. You have done nothing. God is good all the time. Until my next vlog, I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Selfie, vlogger of the century, and Ma'am Darna. Mabuhay!